guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are heading to our third leg here dito sa Bali, Indonesia with si Mama, si Papa, Jax, and I, guys, dito sa Bali. So guys, are you ready for some road trip? So we will transfer now to another accommodation from UBUD to KUTA, guys. So guys, are you ready? What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
Terima kasih Bunda. Request lagunya Lionel Richie, Stuck on You ya. Semoga siarannya buat Yuka. Terima kasih kembali. Kemudian Yuka mau sapa dulu nih ya. Ada Aji Putu ngentek Messi di klub Indianya.
Crew again, the stop. We don't have the trolley.
Don't know, maybe not here. I don't know what things like. So guys, it's like a split loft villa. So you'll see out here, there's a bath, the kitchen down there. Here's like a plunge pool with a chair there. Don't use soap conditioner over there. You must wear proper attire. So there's an entrance here. There's 4 towels here. There's a lay down area here as well. So if you want to chillax next to the pool. So I'll just give you an overview here. Let's visit it here. So we got the stairs again. Is this 2 bedrooms, is it? Or oh, so it's actually multiple bedrooms.
There's another one there. Wow.
Okay.
Maybe this is Papa Mama because lower.
Yeah, puede.
Can you open so I can analyze?
Yes. Okay guys, so oh, that's something on the bed there. I think it's just a welcome letter. So this here, it's a king size bed. We have some windows here, so this looks down onto the swimming pool. So here there's a bathtub. There's another kitchen here. You have your pasalubongs, more tubig. There's a bag area here. Here's got a bath and toilet and shower there. So I can close the room. So I have a feeling that when we go from a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom, I reckon they just lock one of the doors, and then they just give us the same room pretty much. So here we go again. So I'm not sure if it's mirrored. Oh, okay. So this is one of the two single beds. So maybe, yeah, when we go to the next one, the upstairs will be locked here. So I'll just let them know and I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, so we got my artwork. So this one's got 2 single beds in it. So this is what makes it Mama Papa's room. So here, well, it looks like eventually those plants will come up higher. So it's pretty much like a 3-story building. Oh, okay, so this one's got a separate shower toilet. So there's a shower there, there's a toilet. We have the same kind of scenario here with the bathroom itself, or the kitchen, the basin, storage here. So yeah, it's not often you get like a 3-story, it's a 3-story loft. So I can close this here. A lot of room in here, so I do have a TV in the middle here as well. So guys, this is 18 suite villa, which I'm guessing maybe because there's 18 suites here, I'm guessing maybe that's what the name is. So InDaynaMo's taking her photos, and I shall come back to you again soonish. So yes, when we come here, I'd say they close this door at the very top here, and they leave this one open. And that would be a 1-bedroom villa. So I'll come back to you shortly. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. So this time we're going south for our island adventure. I think we've got the Ganesh Krishnu. Yeah, I'm not going to try to remember that. The park with a big statue, an observation deck now, Uluwatu temple, and then our ATV ride as well. So our driver's already outside waiting for us, and we shall.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. You get to see the garden. Now we see to find our lucky driver. Let's play the one over here, the black one. Oh, I think he's waiting at reception for us.
So that's it, guys. That's our road trip. So we transfer for another accommodation to another accommodation, guys. So this is our 3rd leg na of our Bali, Indonesia. So malapit na tayo umuwi. Malapit na umuwi si Mama and si Papa. Go back to Philippines. So they're going back to Philippines. Jax and I were going back to Australia, where we catch another of our caravan journey, guys, and we will go to Darwin, guys, not in Melbourne but in Darwin, in the top of Australia, guys. So anyway, highway, so if you've been in my previous videos, guys, so our first accommodation is in Seminyak. So we've been there for a few days, so we cover all the Seminyak area, guys, and the closed area in Seminyak. So guys, the next is we are in UBUD. This is our 2nd leg of Bali. So nandito kami sa UBUD with in few days. So we cover all the attractions, the destination dito sa UBUD, guys. And if you haven't yet checked our UBUD videos, I hope you will watch it, guys, before you jump on this video. So anyway, highway in UBUD, Suwarti Boutique Villa. So we have a private villa. We have a 2 bedrooms, guys. One is for si Mama and si Papa, and one is Jax and I. So nakita niyo naman, very private villa, guys. And then the ambience and our front is rice paddies, rice vibes, guys, dito sa UBUD. So we cover all the UBUD attractions, guys. We've been here 7 years ago in UBUD, and this is Mama's and Papa's first time in UBUD, guys. So yes, guys, so this is our 3rd leg, which is our last leg dito sa Bali. So this is our last accommodation bago mag-depart sila Papa and Mama, going back to the Philippines, and we are going back to Australia after they departed. So yes, guys, nakita nyo naman, nag-room tour tayo, nag-road trip tayo from UBUD. It took us 1 hour and 36 minutes through, so we have a driver here again. So nakita nyo naman, guys, and it's very convenient if you want to book like your transportation like Uber, Gojek, madami siya. Just download the apps of Gojek dito sa Indonesia. So anyway, highway took us what? 1 hour and 36 minutes through our last accommodation, which is the 18 Suites Villa Loft. So, nakita niyo naman kanina guys, meron kami room tour dito sa Villa Loft. And yes, very fancy because it's a 2-story with a loft and with a private pool as again. So, here in Bali, very affordable lang po kapag you have a big groups. So, very cheap lang kasi if you are a big group guys, pwede kayong house ng mga when it comes in accommodation and you will have your private villa. So if you've been in mga other channel about Bali, may kita nyo mga fancy, super B talaga yung mga villa nila. Meron silang private pool, even though the accommodation also have a other public pool, meron din kayong sariling pool, guys. Depends which area in Bali, Indonesia. So, nakita niyo naman, guys, we are in Kuta, 12 minutes away, drive in the airport, para hindi kami ma-hassle, guys. Kasi kung magpupunta pa kami sa malayo, and then we will drop Papa and Mama to the airport, kasi mauuna silang umuwi sa amin. So, mauuna silang umuwi sa Philippines, and we are, at next day, mag-fly kami sa Australia. Dapat same link kami ng date. Kaso nga, nag-ano yung airline namin. So, the next day pa kami mag-fly ng Australia sila, magpi-Philippines sila. So, yun na nga guys. May kita nyo naman guys ang ating next videos. So, may kita nyo, ma-cover namin yung Kuta. Kuta is like Seminyak. So, Kuta naman yung area, malapit sa airport. There's a lot of attractions here in Kuta, shopping malls, souvenir areas, souvenir shops, guys, dito sa Kuta, guys. So, yes, guys, so, that's the end of our video for today. Our road trip from another accommodation to accommodation, guys. Dito pa rin tayo sa Kuta. We are in Bali, Indonesia. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video. And mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you on the bottom of my hi boat. Hello sis, like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and ciao la.